She's a cold one today, boys. Hey guys, what is up? What is up? Another day, another dollar. Today we're going to Wasaga Beach to do a interior on a client, or a regular client of mine actually. Been to their house many times, actually twice this year already, kind of client. So I know their address. I know how to get to their house without GPS. I'll still put it in just cause, but I've been to their address many times. They're I believe they run a daycare of some sort. Not remembering it. But yeah, today we're doing that. We should have the one car today, which I'm actually okay with, because doing back-to-back doubles is hard on the body for sure. Before I see you looking at me. So yeah, one today, and then I'm actually don't have one booked for tomorrow, for Saturday, which is kind of weird, to be honest. But you know, I'll take it. Who knows, I might get filled later today. Wow, that sounded terrible, but I meant like appointment wise. What was I saying? Yeah, so today, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so tomorrow nothing. So personal life, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Probably I'm gonna clean my apartment, because it definitely needs it. I haven't been able to do that for a little bit, just because, you know, detailing's hard, man. I know I make it seem so easy, but it's really not that easy. It's pretty hard on the body, on the mind. You know, you're kind of just cleaning the same thing over and over and over again. I know it's what a job is, right? But you know, still, it could be a little hard for sure. But I still love to do it every day. I still enjoy it. Actually, I wanted to maybe later today. Actually, I wanted to clear my car out, because it's really disgusting right now, and I usually never let it get this bad, because this is what I do for a living. But I've kind of been slacking a bit in my truck detail wise, so I might just kind of wave everything down later today. I definitely have to fix my pressure washer. I bought some really powerful waterproof super glue, and then some silicone adhesive to kind of melt that piece back onto where it was, because I think I could fix it. So I mean, the two things were only like 20 bucks, and if that fixes that, saves me buying a whole new $600 pressure washer. So I'm gonna try to do that later today too, and I'll probably record that actually. But yeah, so I'm gonna get driving now, and I will see you guys when I see you. So, something out of my personal life. I think I've fully accepted just being alone at this point. You know, no relationships, no like talking stage. I was in like a bit of a sort of a talking stage with this one person, but that didn't really work out. So yeah, so right now I've been pretty alone for a while now. And when I say alone, it sounds really sad, but it's really not. It's not that bad. It's very peaceful. You don't have to like deal with anybody except for yourself, and you actually can grow. I know for me, like, I don't think I could grow in a relationship just because I'm so focused on the other person and not myself, and I kind of give up on stuff that makes me, I've realized. So I'm cool with being alone for as long as it takes for me to be ready again for another relationship. But other than that, we are just about here, just up on the right here, or the left, sorry. There we go. Then you'll park up right about here. A little more. There. Alright, so I was informed that the keys are in the car already, so yeah, she said just get going. She knows me, so just trust me. Alrighty, let's get it. Okay, so customer informed me that she did I think it was, she said it was like a dog, something to do with dogs, like a rescue or something. So it has a bit of a smell in here, so we're gonna get rid of that. And I believe that's some dog vomit, maybe like a little bit. But this is one of the vehicles I've personally maintained, and you can see no salt stains. You know why? Because your boy maintained it. That's how we do it around here. Get your vehicle maintained. No salt stains. So yeah, we're gonna do a blow, and then, well, first of all, I'm gonna get rid of all this garbage first, and then we'll do a blow, and you already know the deal. She's gonna take all this stuff out of the trunk. I'm not sure if she wanted me to do it or not, but see all this dog hair? I'm gonna do it for her just because she's a regular client of mine. So treat her the best I can. So, just finish up with the trunk. With dog hair, you're not gonna get every single hair, so don't even try, unless they're paying you super good money to get every single hair out, like a dealership. But I wiped all the plastics down, got rid of most of the hair. Like, usually 90% is good with people. So I'm just gonna load up all the stuff back in and do a light vacuum of the interior, and then start with light down at the front. Guys, so did the back seats just because they're in pretty rough shape because of the dogs. Gave a quick vacuum, and on the other side, if you guys remember seeing that dog vomit on like this side, all gone. Secret sauce, baby. That's pretty easy. Just use the drill brush, some enzyme, some degreaser, came right off, vacuumed it right up. Sorry guys, just your boy. I hate when that happens. It's so embarrassing. Have a good one. Alrighty guys. So, pretty much finished up now. Just gonna vacuum a little more in here. But did a full vacuum on back. Everything. Did the trunk already. Just gonna hit this last vacuum. Over here. Then we will do the dressing, do the mats, and then we out. All done. Let's pack up and get out of here. Alrighty guys, well that was it. Not a hard one at all, only because I maintain it. And it hasn't, you know, like I literally detailed that one like in February of this year. And yeah, she was just telling me she did like a dog rescue thing, and she just wanted for it to be cleaned up. So I mean, it really wasn't that bad. No salt stains. I just shampooed that one actually in February. That's why the first reason that my extractor broke was because I was doing her car. But I made it today really easy. Just, it's like dirt, dog hair, the normal stuff. But other than that, that is probably my day. Yeah, I mean 4 o'clock, 4:30. See for a couple hours, but I made 170, so not too bad. But yeah, tomorrow I have nothing, no details, so I'm gonna take a personal day. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I don't know, clean the truck. I might do that today though. Yeah, thank you guys for watching again. I appreciate it. It's my third one I'm doing. I'm liking it. I'm liking the talking parts. It makes me feel a little better. Just because, yeah, we're not gonna get into all that again. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. And I will be posting Sunday. So have a good one. Peace out. Have a good weekend. Peace out.